back to math session. Children, observe my hand. What are there in my hand? Flowers. Yes, these are flowers. How many flowers are there in my hand? Let us count. Children, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers are there in my hand. If I give one flower to my friend, I am giving one flower to my friend. Now, how many flowers are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 4 flowers are there in my hand. Again, I am giving one more flower to my friend. Now, how many flowers are there in my hand? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Now, 3 flowers. In first, I have 5 flowers. I gave 2 flowers to my friend. I gave 2 flowers to my friend. Now, I am having 3 flowers. One more example. Children, observe my hand. What are these? Dolls. How many dolls are there in my hand? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many dolls are there in my hand? 3 dolls. There are 3 dolls in my hand. If I give one doll to my sister, how many dolls I am giving? 1. I am giving one doll to my sister. How many dolls are left with me? 1, 2. Yes, there are 2 dolls left. So, I have 2 dolls. First, I have 3 dolls. I gave one doll to my sister. Now, I am having 2 dolls. So, I am subtracting 1 from 3. This process is called subtraction. What is that? Subtraction. Okay. Symbol of subtraction is minus. This is called minus. It is a small sleeping line. This symbol is called minus. It is the symbol of subtraction. Children, observe here. What are these? Pens. Count how many pens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pens. I have 4 pens. Now I am giving 2 pens to my sister. If I give 2 pens to my sister, how many pens I gave? 2 pens. I gave 2 pens. Now how many pens are left with me? 1, 2. I have 2 pens. So I subtract 2 from 4. For that I use subtraction symbol. This is the symbol of subtraction. This is called minus. Minus. Okay, children, today we are going to learn the concept of subtraction. Children, observe my hand. What are these? Dolls. How many dolls are there? 1, 2. I have 2 dolls. I have 2 dolls. These 2 dolls are mine. I won't give any dolls to my brother. That means 0. I won't give anything. That means 0. So, 0. Now, how many dolls are left with me? 1, 2. Again, I have 2 dolls. First, I have 2 dolls. I won't give any dolls to my brother. That means 0 dolls. Now, I have 2 dolls. So, 2 minus 0 equal to 2. Children, let us learn how to do subtraction. This is called minus. It is the symbol of subtraction. And this symbol is called is equal to. Now read the problem. 7 minus 3 is equal to. What is the answer? Let us find. How many flowers are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many flowers are there? 7 flowers. We have to subtract 3 from 7. For that, we cross out 3 flowers. Out of 7 flowers, we have to cross out 3 flowers. This is number 3. We have to cross out 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. We cross out 3 flowers. Now how many flowers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers are left? 4. 4 is the answer. So 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Children, what are these? Pencils. Let us read 8 minus, the symbol is minus 2. 8 minus 2, this is equal to. 8 minus 2 equal to. What is the answer? Let us find. Now count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 pencils are there. What is this number? 2. We have to cross out 2 pencils. 1, 2. 2 pencils. Now how many pencils are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pencils left. So don't count cross out pencils. Okay? From 8 we cross out 2 pencils. 1, 2. Don't count cross out pencils. Count remaining pencils only. Again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pencils are left? 6. 6 is the answer. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Next read 4 minus 3 equal to. What is the answer? Let us find out. What are these? Apples. Count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 apples. We have to subtract 3 from 4. For that we cross out 3 apples. Okay? 1, 2, 3. We cross out 3 apples. How many apples are left? Only 1. 1 is the answer. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Children, what are these? Kites. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kites. From 4 we have to subtract 2. For that we have to cross out 2 kites. Okay? 1, 2. If we cross out 2 kites, how many left? 1, 2. 2 is the answer. Next, 6 minus 5. How many brinjals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From that we cross out 5. Cross out 5 brinjals. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many left? 1. 1 is the answer. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. Next, 2 minus 0. Here how many terms are there? 1, 2. We have to subtract 0 from 2. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. So we should not cross out any drums. So we should not cross out anything. Now how many drums are left? 1, 2. So answer 2. 2 minus 0 equal to 2. Next, 3 minus 0. How many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3. 0 means nothing. So we should not cross any balloon picture. Now how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3. So answer 3. 3 minus 0 equal to 3. Children, let us practice some more sums. Read 6 minus 2. We have to subtract 2 from 6. Here how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to subtract 2. That means we have to cross out 2 balls. 1, 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 left. Answer is 4. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Next sum. 8 minus 1. Count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have to cross out 1 ball. If I cross out 1 ball, how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Answer is 7. Next. Count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Read the sum. 4 minus 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. We should not cross any balls. 0 means nothing. We should not cross any balls. Now how many balls are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. 4 minus 0 equal to 4. Next, 5 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. Cross out 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left? 1. Answer is 1. Next, 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Have to cross out 2 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balls. I have to cross out 2 balls. 1, 2. 2 cross out. How many left? Count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. These are subtractions. Children, see this video and enjoy.
10 little honeybees buzzing around. One went to the hive, one to the flower. How many honeybees buzzing around? 8 little honeybees are left now. 8 little honeybees buzzing around. One went to the hive, one to a flower. How many honeybees buzzing around? 6 little honeybees are left now. 6 little honeybees buzzing around. One went to the hive, one to a flower. How many honeybees buzzing around? 4 little honeybees are left now. 4 little honeybees buzzing around. One went to the hive, one to a flower. How many honeybees buzzing around? 2 little honeybees are left now. 2 little honeybees buzzing around. One went to the hive, one to a flower. How many honeybees buzzing around? No more honeybees are left now.
Today we learn how to do subtraction. We also practice with some more examples. Okay, we will meet in the next session.